Well, after a few days, more than a few days, laid up with COVID, this is my first time out and about. I wanted to go into the peaks, but this is a bit more local. So, Woodland or Wilds, I quite fancied beaving on Derwent Edge, but I took the advice of my wife, who said something like, don't be an idiot, you're only just recovering from COVID. So fair enough. Anyway, this is local, bit of woodland camping. I think I'm still going to do the bivvy bag, and there's no rain forecast for tonight, which is good. So just me and the pheasants and the other wildlife in the woods. You can generally tell what time of day it is by listening to the noises in the woods. Looking forward to it. Catch you later. So I'm wearing my Mindel Macaloo boots today, which I don't think they make anymore because it was a very long time ago when I bought them, but they have been an amazing pair of boots. Do you know, whenever somebody says what boots shall I buy on a forum or something like that, generally, you know, I suppose Mindel come up there, Scarp will come up there, probably some of the kind of army standard boots, but for me you can't go wrong with a pair of Mindels. These I'm guessing probably over 20 years old now. I am guessing, but I think they might even be 25, but they are a bit like Trigger's broom, you know. Had a lot of things replaced, I guess. I had a new sole replaced. They were almost written off a couple of years ago, you know, beyond economic repair. I paid 90 quid to get the sole replaced with a Vibram sole. I'm glad I did. I think the uppers are a bit worn now. I have to really look after them with plenty of conditioner. They're still holding the water out, but they're starting to look a bit ragged. Bless them. So they're great for the woods though, because they're really warm, great for winter, bulletproof, and you know, still comfy as well. So, you know, still very much a useful pair of boots. I think they cost me, in today's money, I think they would have been cost about £17,000, but value for money is a bit better these days, isn't it? So you can get a decent pair of boots for 200 plus maybe. I think these were 200 plus when I bought them, so like I said, it's a lot of money in today's money. Anyway, just coming into the woods. Woods are amazing, aren't they? Literally whatever time of year it is, they look completely different. Give it a few weeks from now and you can be able to see beyond this canopy. Great for winter crisp cloudless nights, as it is now. Obviously it's all that kind of old golden browns and still a little bit cover, so which is great for stealth camping. So but here we are. Love the autumn leaves. not far now from the camp spot. So I've set up camp. It's getting a bit cooler now, and feels like about 10 o'clock at night, but it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock I think, something like that. So I've just had some tea. I still can't taste things properly after COVID, so that noodles tasted weird. Tasted like hot worms. And then I had some beef jerky, which strangely enough I could taste, which is kind of weird, isn't it? Anyway, tent set up, well, bivvy set up. Still no rain forecast for this evening, so that's a good thing. Little firebox here, done me proud. Not had to use my gas canister, which is neat. Anyway, I'm going to turn the lights off. Bye. Morning. It's about 10 to 8. It's actually light outside, but it's still quite dark under the trees. Give it 2 weeks and this will change. All the leaves will disappear. Anyway, I slept amazingly actually. Must have got about 10 hours sleep. Good setup. Good setup. This cushion pillow, Trekology pillow, seems to have slightly gone down. Anyway, not much. Anyway, can't get up and have a cup. I was going to get a cup of coffee, but I ripped one of the coffee bags last night, so it'll have to be a hot chocolate instead. The things we suffer. Catch you in a bit. Okay, well, good morning again, and all packed up and setting back off with the car. It's about, I don't know, half an hour's walk or something to the car. That was a good night. I think it got down to about maybe 7 degrees, could have been 6. I was sleeping in this Kelty Cosmic Down 40. 40 degrees Fahrenheit, professed to go down to what, 4 degrees-ish, 4.5 degrees. I would say that's true if you've got thermals on, if you've got a liner in. So, good though, pretty good. I think I paid 40 quid for the bag, so I mean, you can't complain for that for what probably is maybe a 3-season bag at best, I think. So I don't fancy taking that to any less than 5 degrees, certainly. But I don't need to, so good night though, good sleep. Got ages. I think in winter camps, I mean, it's dark for like 4:30, so and even more so in the woods. So you really are wondering what's happening, aren't you? Thinking it's like, oh, it's really late. And it's like 7:30 at night. So I think I went to bed after listening to some podcast. I went to bed probably, I don't know, 9:30, 10 o'clock. And then, as I said before, I got up about 10 to 8, woke up about 10 to 8. So all in all, successful night. still going to go for the Peak District one as soon as I get the opportunity, but yes. And I tasted about hot chocolate as well, which was really nice.